Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the inverter type Mitsubishi Electric air conditioner. First, we insert the battery in the remote control. We see the clock flashing on the screen. With the help of the time buttons, we set the time to, for example, 2 o'clock. Today, we use the day button to set the day of the week. For example, today is Friday. We press the clock button to confirm. Setting the time is for the timer mode, which we will explain to you later, to work properly. This is the on-off button of the remote control. We can turn the air conditioner on and off with this button. We use this button to increase the temperature of the air conditioner and this button to decrease it. The mode button is used to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: auto, cooling, drying, heating, and fan. Most users use the cooling mode of the air conditioner the most. Therefore, we will first explain the cooling mode. We press the mode button and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we recommend that you set the temperature between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. It is not recommended to set the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius as it can cause colds. We can change the fan speed with the help of the fan button. This air conditioner has 6 speeds: silent, low, medium, high, very high, and auto speed. When the fan speed increases, the cooling power of the air conditioner also increases. When we want to save electricity, we use the econo-cool mode. In this mode, the set temperature and airflow are automatically changed by microprocessor. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. The air conditioner has 2 types of blinds. With this rain button, we can move the horizontal blinds up and down or stop them in a desired position. With the wide range button, we can move the vertical blinds left and right or stop them in a desired position. When the button is pressed, the screen shows in which direction the blinds are stopped. Press the long button to start long airflow. Fan speed increases and horizontal vanes adjust to ensure air reaches a long distance. To exit this mode, press the same button again. The powerful mode is designed to achieve maximum cooling. When this button is pressed, this symbol appears on the screen. After 15 minutes of operation in this mode, the air conditioner will return to the previous fan mode. To exit this mode, we press the same button again. Each user has a favorite mode. For example, I like 24 degrees Celsius and medium fan speed. I press the I save button to save my setting in the air conditioner's memory. Each user has a favorite mode. For example, I like 24 degrees Celsius and medium fan speed. I press the I save button and change the temperature and speed. After that, I press I save. Each user has a favorite mode. For example, I like 24 degrees Celsius and medium fan speed. I press the I save button and save my setting in the air conditioning memory. If someone changes the air conditioner setting, it is enough to press the I save button to return to the favorite mode. To exit this mode, press the same button again. We have explained the buttons in the cooling mode, and now we switch to dry mode by pressing the mode button again. A water drop icon appears on the screen. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. When we press the mode button again, a sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In general, setting the temperature to 24 degrees Celsius in both cooling and heating modes is more suitable for those who want to save electricity. In heating mode, the most important thing is to set the fan speed to auto fan speed mode. To select the speed, we press the fan button, and when this icon appears, the auto fan speed mode is selected. Since the fan speed is selected by the microprocessor in this mode, the air conditioner works more efficiently, and the evaporator will only freeze when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. We press the mode button again, and the fan icon appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. When we press the mode button again, we see this icon on the screen. This is auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the room temperature at the set level. For example, let's say we have set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius. In this case, if the room temperature is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will work in heating mode. And if it is higher, the air conditioner will work in cooling mode. Each air conditioner has a timer mode. But unlike other air conditioners, this air conditioner has two types of timer modes: daily and weekly. First, let's explain the daily timer mode. Let's say we go to work in the morning and plan to return home at 7 p.m. In this case, we need to set the timer to 6 p.m. We press the timer on button and use these buttons to set the timer to the desired time and remove our finger. The volt timer on flashes 10 times and then stops. Our air conditioner will turn on at 6 p.m. and will cool our house when we get home. To exit this mode, we need to press the same button. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off at 5 a.m., then we press the timer off button and remove our finger after setting. To exit this mode, we need to press the same button again. Now we will explain the weekly timer mode. Thanks to this function, we can program the air conditioner to turn on and off up to 4 times on any day of the week. This timer mode is mainly very useful for users who work some days of the week. For example, let's say we want the air conditioner to turn on at 6 p.m. on Tuesday and Friday and turn off at 11 p.m. For this, we press set button and after that day button Wednesday, on off button, PM 6 o'clock, when we press set button, we see the volt sending on the screen. I would like to note that the distance between the air conditioner and the remote control should be less than 6 meters. We do the same operation for Friday. Now, when we press the weekly timer button, we see which days our air conditioner is programmed to work. To exit this mode, we need to do the same operation again and press the delete button. Sometimes, if the remote control is not working properly for some reason, it needs to be reset. To do this, you need to press the reset button. However, since all settings are reset, you need to set the clock button again. Thank you for following us until the end.